Good morning, Pillager students and staff. This is Mr. Moan, your favorite Minnesota history teacher, coming at you live here from Pillager Schools. And we are putting together just a little how-to video so parents and students, as we go to distance learning here, students know how to access their Gmail accounts from home. So first thing they have to do, need to go to google.com, which you see at the top, and then they go over here to the sign in button. There are times where the sign in button doesn't appear on Google. Just refresh the screen, and then you should get the blue sign in button in the upper right hand corner. Now if you have logged in on other accounts, you'll see I have a lot here. Just scroll down to the bottom and you go to use another account, and you'll have to delete any of your other ones, or if it's blank. So I'm going to use my daughter's account here. So for the students, it's their graduation year followed by their first initial and then their last name at students.isd116.org, and then they click next, and then they put in their password, and their password is their lunch number followed by their first initial, last name. Then they click the blue button and they are in. And you'll see up here on the right, this is called their apps. From here, their Google apps. From here, they can access their Gmail, which a lot of teachers will be accessing them from. Their Docs and Drive, and possibly Meet here as we move forward. Their teachers may be looking at those options, but everything that they need for Google is housed right here. So if you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to contact either the high school or the middle school office. You can also email me directly at mmoan@isd116, and I can answer any questions you may have. All right, thanks. Stay safe, and we hope to see you soon.